just brushing the dirt. Brushing the dirt. Scrub it down right after you dry off that dirty water, and then bomb. All white. WAP Nation, what's good with y'all? Give you boys some dap, man. Hey, there we go. Now for the video today, I will be showing y'all not only how to lace your Air Force One lows, but also how to clean them. And as y'all can see, I have these kind of dirty right now. Hopefully the lighting ain't really affecting it like that, but as y'all can see, it's some major dirt stains on there. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get those out using household products, so y'all don't have to spend a whole bunch of money on shoe cleaner and stuff like that. You can literally find these objects around your household, and if you don't, you can go like to the dollar store or something and get them for the low, just to look out for your pockets. But let's get into it. We're not gonna waste no time, so let me show y'all what y'all gonna need. All right, so what you'll need for the cleaning process is a plastic cup and a plastic spoon, an old toothbrush, some baking soda, and also a magic eraser. And that's it. So let me show y'all. So to make the actual solution, all you need is a warm cup of water, which is why you have the plastic cup right there, and about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. So go ahead and put that in there like that. They can be like half tablespoons too. It really depends. It's kind of hard for me to do it and hold the camera at the same time, but once you do that, you want to stir that up real good. Get that nice little mixture going, as y'all can see. And once you stir it a couple times and it starts fizzing, as y'all can hear that, then you want to stop. You good. Now let me show y'all what to do with that. I'm gonna show y'all the dirt on the shoe one more time so y'all can get an accurate look at how dirty the shoe actually is. Y'all see the dirt going all the way around from the back to basically the front of the shoe around the toe box. And on the opposite one, this whole Nike check right here has like clay dirt on it or whatever. So it's brown instead of white. So I'm gonna show y'all what to do with that solution like I was saying. Now once you got your solution in your toothbrush, you're also gonna need a napkin because you're gonna need to dry up the water that you're about to use for the baking soda solution. But all you wanna do is just take the toothbrush, kind of swirl it around in there a little bit, and start just brushing the dirt. Brushing the dirt. That's all you're gonna do. And the baking soda, what it does is it starts the process of basically peeling off all the dirt and, you know, the cleaning process basically. So as y'all can see, it's already looking better. The dirt is basically off. Now it's just like dirty water. This is where you take the actual napkin, oh, let me grab it real quick, and wipe it off. So once you get a good wipe down, now as y'all can see, the dirt is gone. But just to keep it white, you get your magic eraser and just scrub that whole area that you just scrubbed with the baking soda and water. Remember I mentioned the magic eraser earlier. Scrub it down right after you dry off that dirty water, and then bomb. All white, like a brand new Air Force One low. You see no dirt now. And now I'm gonna do that for the other shoe. So here's the other one. As y'all can see all that dirt right there. Basically this whole area is just straight dirty. It might show up a little bit cleaner on camera, but watch this. Grab that solution like I was saying. Stir it around a little bit and get the scrubbing. Now when you scrub, if your water is dirty on the shoe, like if you see dirty water on the shoe, that means you're doing the right thing. Don't let that scare you or discourage you or thinking that you're gonna mess up the shoe, because the baking soda is eating away the dirt. So we're gonna do that all the way up here. All right. Grab that napkin and give it a little wipe down. All that off. And as y'all can already see, the dirt is basically gone. Grab that magic eraser and get the scrubber. And all this stuff is cheap too, so you're saving money at the end of the day. Like this is just regular cleaning supplies that you can find at your local store. Hold on, let me get this one spot right here. And then bomb. new Air Force One lows. I'm only here to help y'all, man. Y'all know I gotta look out for the Guap Nation fam. So now I'm about to show y'all how to lace them. Now, if you've seen my previous how to lace videos, you already know how this is about to go. But if you haven't, or if you have and just want to see it again, I'm about to show y'all. Like I say in my older videos, my older how to lace videos, this is the easiest method ever. All you doing is literally lacing it up. But when you're lacing it, make sure you do this. And when you're pulling it through the hole, make sure it hits your finger like that to give it that room that it needs. And then move on to the next. So y'all see me use that as I lace it all the way up. Finger, bomb. And do that all the way up. All right, quick tip, when you get to the top right here, if your shoe fits like it has too much room or maybe it's kind of slipping, when you get to the top right here, I'm on the last hole, so I'm gonna go ahead and lace that up. And when you get to the top, what you wanna do is tie it like how you would regularly tie it, but make sure to tighten this part right here. So when you pull like that, pull it so that it fits your foot so that it won't slip off, and then tie it. And what'll happen is when you tie the knot over it and pull it like that, the shoe won't look like it's tied so tight, but it's really fitting tightly on your foot, but it won't look like it. So, you know, people won't be able to know, basically. So that's just a little quick hack for y'all. But let's bring the camera back up here. And yeah, that's about it for the video. As y'all can see, all the dirt is gone and the shoes are laced. I only unlaced one of them to show y'all the method. And yeah, both shoes laced, clean, ready to go. Put them on your feet, go out in public and style them. So I appreciate y'all, Guap Nation, for tuning in. Y'all comment down below and let me know if either method helped y'all. And y'all know, as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell your auntie, your uncle, your lizard, your cat, and your dog to subscribe to Guap Nation, because we want bigger and stronger each and every day. And without y'all, this wouldn't be possible. So I thank y'all. Hopefully this video helped y'all, helps you save some money. And until next time, I appreciate y'all, and we out of here. My nigga, no good, ain't nothing but so good. Trick Daddy in the house, Mr. Brother, watch your mouth.